application. If you want to find any music at all, you can use this application. Let me show you guys how to use it like a pro. Stay tuned. Pretty much the home screen of the application, and all you have to do to find the song that, let's say someone's playing on their phone, or you're just walking by, your song play, you want to just load that song that is playing. All you gotta do is just pretty much tap on this button here, and it will scan the song around you and pretty much find that song for you. So very, very easy. And if I tap on this search icon here, I can always search for the lyrics of the song or a song, and it will try to find it for me, or the artist name or the song name. But if you can't get that, all we need is the sound of the song, and you're pretty much good to go. Here in the library section is where all the songs that you have found with application will show up. So that's pretty much it for that. And over here you have the concert. This is where you're gonna find all the concerts. Or let's say a concert is keeping near you, can tap on a near me option here, allow your location. You're good to go. You'll find all the concerts that are keeping within your area. And the popular ones, or you can just look for you, meaning ones near you. So that's pretty much it for that there. Or you can go ahead and search them. So if I tap on this one here, you can always go ahead and save it so I can get a reminder about the concert. So that's pretty much it for this application. A very, very good application back in the day, and it is still today. And I recommend you guys download it in case you're on the road, because you're gonna need it. If you hear that song playing and you can't get the name or the artist, you don't know anything, this app is gonna help you. So that's it for this video. Stay tuned for the next one.